Okay, and so today we're going to review Fozzils Think Flat, Pack Flat cup, bowl, and dish set. And it looks kind of like that. And it comes in a couple different colors. I got the green. You can also get it in kind of a bluish color. And so it comes with a dish, a bowl, and a cup. And they talk about them being used for all kind of different things, from picnics to parties to whatever. I used them for backpacking. So they talk about them being used for a lot of different things, from picnicking, hiking, backpacking, parties, all kind of stuff. I used them for backpacking because I needed something that was easy to clean, easy to pack, lightweight, and this kind of fit that purpose. The cup, and so they fold a specific way. If you fold them the wrong way, they're a little harder to hold. But it says on here, side out exterior, and then you basically just snap them together. And I've snapped them together quite a few times, and the snaps seem to hold up pretty good. But that's their cup, and it's got little graduated cylinders on it. The cup weighs 1.2 ounces or 33 grams. The bowl also has the graduated measurements on it, and the bowl weighs 1.4 ounces or 40 grams. And then the dish, and that does not have any measurement, but that weighs 1.4 also. And the total weight altogether was 4 ounces. The first trip I took all of them. If I was to do it again, I would probably just take the bowl. The cup I used for coffee, but I like a little more coffee, so I'd probably use this for coffee as well as a bowl. And then if I did need a plate, then I'd just use it as a plate like that. And, but it's kind of nice. It fit what I needed. It stores flat. I was able at night to just pack it in my canister. I was using a canister on the last trip I went on, and so it really took no room at all. Lightweight. It's got a silicone coating that provides kind of a non-slip surface, which is kind of good. Most of the time when I was filtering water, I'd also have a cup of coffee and maybe be eating, so my hands were wet, and I didn't have any problem with the texture that it has, along with the little the folds. I didn't have any problem with it whatsoever slipping out of my hand. It's also BPA free, and it fit real well with the leave no trace principles. I didn't have to worry about, and that was kind of a concern. I could have easily brought paper plates and stuff like that, but with this I could just lick it clean, wipe it off, and put it away. I didn't want to have to cook in my pots, and so basically everything I used, I could either just boil the water and fix in here, or fix in like a Mountain House pouch or something like that. So it worked really well. And overall, I think it's a great product. The other things that I was trying to use, I thought of using a peanut butter jar that I cleaned out, things like that. Everything presented problems, either with, once I poured hot water in them, they would melt, they didn't seal real well, and these just worked perfect for what I was doing. They cleaned off, dried off easily, and yeah. And so hope that helps. If you guys have any ideas, feel free to comment, because I do like them, but I'm certainly not opposed to other ideas for what to use. Thanks.